Hi guys, welcome again. This is a jewel ringer running off a disposable camera flash. This was in a back burner. It was actually working, but I didn't have the case for it, so it was just in a back burner. Plus, of course, I was trying to see where I can improve on this, and I realized that on the other circuits, putting more than 1.5 volts blows out something, or it just burns out. Then again, googling up some of the YouTube videos, find out that probably just a jumper on the diode helped it out. Although it's still not as bright, but it's brighter with running on 3 volts than just 1.5. So let me just show you first the innards of this. It's just a $1 what's this, plastic case, and I've got the 2 diesel batteries over there. It's got some sticky tape on the case so it won't move or shake. It won't come off actually. And there's a small circuit from the compact flash camera, and I hot glued it on there, but I'm not sure if you can see. It's kind of dark. I just jumpered the wire. I didn't take off the diode on it, and I just jumpered it on the other side. And it's coupled with a let me see, it's a 500 ohm pot and a switch. It's easier to cut the plastic to put the switch and the potentiometer on, and it's just for fun anyway. Actually, the circuit doesn't get hot. Oh, this is off a CVS what's this, disposable camera. Okay. I just followed the instructions and seems to work. Let me show you. It's not as bright again. I still need to improve on it. That's why it's just in a plastic case, but here goes. I'll dim the lights a little. There you go. There's still one light coming. Now it's on, and I just need to turn this on, adjust the voltage, and there's some light over here, but that's not bright. That's barely usable actually, and hopefully the camera doesn't, when I turn this up all the way, there you go. That's how bright it is, but you can dim it by adjusting the voltage on this to almost a flicker. It's still bright because the camera is showing it, but actually that's very, very dim already. Let me turn off the other light. There you go. You'll see the surrounding is kind of dark. Let me turn it up all the way, and yeah, that's the brightness of it. Well, of course the light shines on that, but the camera is kind of deceiving. Apparently doesn't run hot with 3 volts. I mean, the transformer, I read somewhere that some other people that the transformer runs hot. I did compare this to the Fuji circuit and the disposable camera, the CVS. The transformer is about a third bigger than the Fuji circuit, so I guess it can handle a little bit more power. Maybe I'll try something like 6 volts eventually, but for now Just finished the project and apparently it works well. There you go. I'm gonna turn it on. You can turn it all the way down to where it's barely lighting actually. But again, you can turn it up, and that's the full brightness of it. You can adjust it a little. The camera's not catching it though. There you go. Oop, it died. It's kind of sensitive. That's on dim and that's on bright. I guess the camera's just catching the glare on that. There you go. Alright, thanks for watching. More projects to come. Fun stuff. Just be careful, be safe. Don't get shocked by circuits like this. I'm still waiting for my 8-inch ferrite rod to do the Joel Ringer 3 of Laser Saber. Thanks for watching. Bye.